Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make crispy fried chicken wings with a spicy kick, KFC wicked wing style. This recipe will be enough for 2 to 3 people. Let's begin. Starting with 1 kg of whole chicken wings, roughly 8 to 10 wings. Remove tips and split into nibbles. Season roughly with 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, mix and set aside. This recipe will only have a mild spice level. If you are a spice lover and like more heat, add 2 tablespoons of hot chili powder to the wings and marinate overnight. Seasoning flour, 2 cups of plain white flour, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, whisk well to combine. Now on to the batter. This will help the seasoning flour stick to the chicken. 1 cup of white flour, 2 tablespoons of cayenne and chili powder, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, I'm using sriracha, but whichever you use is fine, 1 whole egg, 300 ml of cold water, whisk till smooth. Place nibbles into your batter, shake off any excess, and into the seasoning flour. It's important to make sure you squeeze and press the flour into your chicken, shake off the excess, and place onto a tray. Repeat with all pieces. Half fill a medium sized pot with oil and heat to 175 degrees. Little tip here, if you don't have a thermometer, place the end of a chopstick or wooden spoon into the oil, and if you start to see little bubbles, we're good to go. Carefully place your chicken into the pool of oil, remembering not to overcrowd the pot. Cooking time is between 8 to 12 minutes depending on the size of your nibbles. They should be golden and crispy once they are ready. Make sure to move them around to get even cooking. Another little tip for you, when the chicken or anything else you are frying starts to float, generally it's ready and cooked through. After about 10 minutes, we are ready to remove our chicken from the oil and place on a wire rack to drain. Time for the crispy test. Honestly guys, it is so good. Super crunchy, juicy, with a hint of chili. Make sure you give these a go. That's it for this episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.